At a press conference held on the 25th of April 2023, senior advocate and member of the Bharatiya Janata Party in Meghalaya, VGK Kynta, had announced his resignation from the party due to non-delegation of duties to him while being associated with the party. At the same time, he also said that his candidature to the upcoming Lok Sabha Assembly elections will depend on the approach of any political party for the same.
Arpo tarik jong ubnang April arpo arpulai. Ngala resign naka BJP Meghalaya Pradesh. Ngala phai yakani ka city hakani ka jo tarik arpo tarik April arpo arpulai. But katung ka kani ka signature ni ka office of the BJP arpo Shillong kala receive ni. But ngapa benang hakani ka bol ba hadir mangla pentau ba ban like on the Shillong members of the BJP Meghalaya Pradesh. Kamshidon kanano kajing contact na kada president na kada office balance. Namtip lagi ni city ke jonga lapoy ni am syaki jo president. Nei ngamla ko confirm ni ba kami ke sign ke jo president ya. Di hari ni kapor lesi kalau bandar kajing kili na kada ho yu ba ko pambino na ni parti BJP akan digapor. Dengan skop untuk menai pada pada join ho November April ya parti BJP. Dapat jitu ber trade kam susu dapat tak jitu mah dapat jadi beliau berstil kawin. Di kalau gigi kaba susi ka jinjoin jonga akan ke parti kalau daloi nomor ba. Haru kini kesi kam sibdan kalau jingkhat yang ada dalam activities. Ne ban aikam ajon le bangan le kanu kakam nang jo besti te nakwa ban tentau ni ba Shillong tik untuk kasla ka super atau slau te ngasu bakat bagaran per dan ha paran te ndre no ka ngam julok sakari kasla ka kamunta isu na.
On the delay in relocation of Harijans from their current location, VGK Kynta said that the state government has to file a civil case so as to enable the process of relocation to take place.
Single judge, Justice S.R. said, "Ula retire nta, ula ai ka hukum, bala na government wing, begini ibril. He have let number a civil suit. The yaiban yang hakani kapor, pile kumno ru, benang ban kendang begini ibril kalau kau Nama possession is 9 point of law. She said if he done in possession, they have a legal parlance kalam possession is 9 point of law. She said if he default, hindi tang si power person. Palagi si person person kita default. They gamli show ka kam so. Mantapan identify manubari ki genuine settlers basyon to kapor. Nakalian ki employees of the municipal, but identify manubari illegal settlers kali kakamba kamsan kamshita mahu mantakhat. Te kalau dia baka sarkar kalatmu ban kendriya ki te makana day legal advisor jo kini ki harijan yasi ngan jin kala dan bahag kata dialog sarkar Yasi ban kamu ini bagi sarkar ketua. Nama haka bak handu ini ni kuah bahagian kita kejingsuk ya kaya yang mungkin terbiung no. Haju kapor ni kuah penhe surat. Ni kuah bahagian nice parking lot hatu cakap. Nama kami cakap tentang 4,000 square feet. Kami susu. Kita nama tempat yang for kejinghet itu cakap.